today we discuss about what the two laws, two Mendel's laws. Okay. First law called what? Law of segregation. Segregation, it means separation. And also we have second law, which is called independent assortment. First law called what? Law of segregation. Look, law of segregation states that a pair of factor, for example, I want a pair again. طبعا our alone called factor. Our factor, right? Together, let's see, comes a pair of factor, and this process that they transmitted to the gametes of gamete, our second gamete. Look, I want a gameton. A pair of factor do what during meiosis or during gamete production? They separate. One of them, this one, the capital, transmitted to this gamete, and the other one transmitted to another gamete. So the first law stated that a pair of factor separate during gamete production. Okay? And then during fertilization, when two gametes combine, fertilization, it means what? It means when two gametes combine. For example, if you have here B small, so it will be B small, and when they combine, the first box will be B capital, B small. So the new offspring has two factors. One of them from the father, the B capital, and the other one from the mother. So the new offspring has two factors. First question. A pair of factors, they separate. When? During or gamete production. Two. Each gamete contains how many factors for a trait?
One.
Only one. Each gamete, contains how many factors for a trait, for each trait? Only one. Two. Three. The gametes combine. How do gametes behave? When? During fertilization. When they combine it. So the new offspring has how many factors?
Two.
For each trait? Two. From parents, right? One from the father and the other from the mother. Oh, first law. خلاص. What I called what? First law? Law of segregation. It states that be careful. A pair. بس يدو factor إذا يفترق. Not generally, باش. A pair of factors separate during gamete production. So each gamete contains one factor, and also when the gametes combine, each new offspring has two factors, one from the father and the other from the mother. Our first law. So what about the second law? Law of independent assortment. بكردي يعني ده بشكدني سد بخو. يعني there is no relation between the factors. so they're independent. يعني see حر أو أنستربستن during gamete production. Look. So what about if we study all factors together? For example, tall, axial, terminal, purple, white, green, and yellow, round or wrinkled. It means inflated and also yellow, see, right? So what about, do there is any relation between them during gamete production? Look, second law states that the factors, generally, a pair of factors. So the factors, they separate from each other independently. يعني حرا relation بينيان get the era, other one, get the era, a smallish, just like this, capital, B small, G small, G capital, R small, R capital, I capital, I capital, Y capital, Y capital. This is one gamete, and this is the another one. And you have two types of gametes. Look, the factors, they separate from each other independently. Look, according to the first law, do the T capital, this T capital, it has any relation with this one out factor? Yes. Out here, علاقة here. Look, so one of them must transmit to this gamete, and this other ones it must transmit to the another gamete. إلى كان هي أو بيكو a pair. بلام أو pair إلى كان بو كان ديكو هي نخير. So about the question, look, determine the wrong gamete. يعني بابا right gamete يفهم ده ها. زين كامل وانا ماستر. Determine the right gametes. كامل وانا راستا. For example, A capital, T capital, G capital, A small, R capital, P capital. 2, B. T capital, G capital, B capital, مش كلامني A small, T capital. C, B capital, A capital, H capital, قشرني إلى قلبي ها. أوش M capital, أوش A capital, أوش M capital. D دار اللي قال. Wrong gamete, it must not contain repeated factors. زين أي هي. أوش أي هي. كواتا أو دبتا wrong gamete نابت الراجل. أدي أوين. أوش نابتا. أوش غلط وينيا. تي هي تي شيء ديسا. أدي بهمان. أوش هي بي هي أي هي. أوش أي هي. كواتا أو أنا حويا نابنا right gamete. كواتا حويا نبنا wrong gamete. Right? أبزم كشنا كشتري هي. برام السكند لو فيست لو سلبر دكي. أليرا. لبوس فيست لو. قانون أو كان يضلوا اللي برتكي. كوا أوش determine كان إذا كان تذكر لهم. لبوس second law سلبر دكي أو قصة. خلاص أو كده كده قال لبوه section 2. تمام؟ Look, بعام صفة تبكي يعني generally the differences is what between the first law and the second law. First law بس يكفى أو يدك يكتريد. يكتريد two factor يكتريد. A pair of factor طلع. تنجيشتي balance second law باسي هم factor كان ذكاء together. طبعا he found how many bubbling characteristics in P plants? 7. كوات هيك شيء علاقة عند الله بيه كوا near. بقى سكاني منظري. Yes. أو أنا بكيفكم كده بقصدي باشو. Look حتى هذا الثاني بخو generally راستا أقرب لي R small R capital. طبيعية. يعني بقصدي ها كوكتيل من سي R capital R small G small G capital. يعني بلي A capital I small. حتى بكون ثاني اعتيادي homozygous بي اعتيادي heterozygous.
يعني هو سبب فاكتور كاريجري بس هم تريدنا.
ألو يعني؟ نا يك فاكتور هيت علاقيني بهيت فاكتور تشتيكو أوها. نا أو هذا ال factors separate from each others independently. يعني علاقان. أوكي؟ بس. alright.